Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.